Nothing out there could ever stop me from chasing after the way you love me, keeping me up 2 cups of coffee.
Morning all, we are currently on our way to Mossman Gorge. We are doing a 1 o'clock Dreamtime tour. So hi kids. We haven't had one fight yet today, have we? Daddy is driving again and we're about to turn on to the Captain Cook Highway. Check in with you soon.
I bought this crocodile shirt because it says please turn me over. It's the back of it.
Baby, you make me feel so lovely. I keep on wanting, no, I should've wanted. I keep on pulling right until you're gone. I can't get you off my mind. So sweet, yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on you, sweet. Everything I want is sugar like yes, please. Love is like candy. Sweet, yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on you, sweet. Everything I want is sugar like yes, please. Love is like candy.
So we just finished the 2-kilometer hike around Mossman Gorge. And now we're ready for a swim. About to see how waterproof my iPhone is, eh? I'm told the water's really cold though.
Nothing out there could ever stop me from chasing after the way you love me, keeping me up 2 cups of coffee.
Just finished up at Mossman's Gorge.
Baby, you make me feel so
Just finished up at Mossman Gorge. And what do you guys think?
It wasn't good, it was white.
Island this morning. It's a beautiful, cool, rainy day. Claire's got her fishing rod.
No,
Oh, yeah. Looking silly with a fishing rod, Cleo. Okay, we're on Fitzroy Island. You see the boat behind us. Cleo didn't feel very well. She's holding a bowl full of vomit. You feeling better, Hatu? Went us up. How did you guys get over this rock? Slippery as hell. Just finished up at Mossman. Just finished up at Mossman's Gorge. Mossman Gorge. Just finished up at Mossman.